Good evening, everybody. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Tuesday, June 7th, 2022. It's around 6 pm and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across a neighborhood at Seik Thar Street in Yangon. Let's walk. This is a street wet market in the neighborhood. People are buying their daily necessary stuffs here. You can get fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, etc. here. Now I am walking across a footpath beside Anawrahta Road. There are various street vendors on both sides of this footpath. This lady is selling decoration light. A banana store. People are enjoying street food beside the footpath. While walking across this footpath, you can see lots of shops. This is Sule Pagoda Road. That is Sule Pagoda. On the left side, this is Yangon City Hall. Now I am walking across Mahabandoola Road. That is Row and Company building. What a wonderful view of Sule Pagoda. People are waiting for the bus here. People are buying street foods here. Now I am walking across a neighborhood at Bogalay Zay Street. It's a wonderful decoration with lighting. This is a mini mall in the neighborhood. It was a former British colonial era building. This is a fruit stall, a street food stall. Now I am entering into the mini mall. Let's walk. As you can see, on both sides of this passage there are some cosmetic stores. These are some garments, accessories, clothing and leather products stores. You can also get sandal and shoes here. They are offering some discounts on their products. This is chicken barbecue store. This is a bakery shop. This is Merchant Road. This is Mohinga Stall. This man is selling Mohinga. Mohinga is a healthy soup. People are enjoying eating with friends and family. This is the footpath beside Merchant Road. This is a footpath beside Thein Road. Some street foods here. Fish barbecue. This man is preparing fish barbecue. That is Union Financial Center building. Most of banks are located here. Vehicles are moving across the road, maintaining the traffic rules and regulations. People are crossing the road. People are crossing the road carefully. This is a bus stop beside Anawrahta Road. People are getting right into the bus. Myanmar people are very disciplined. This is a restaurant beside Anawrahta Road. This is a Japanese restaurant, Ichiban, beside Anawrahta Road. This is a South Indian temple. The temple is nicely decorated. Beautiful lighting. Let's walk across this temple and enjoy the atmosphere. This is Sri Bharata Raja Perumal temple. Let's go inside the temple and enjoy the atmosphere. The influence of South Indian Hindu culture. Most of South Indian people came to Burma during British colonial time. Their grandfather came to Burma for work and business during British colonial time. This is a nicely decorated temple. Hindu community people enjoying their evening time here. This lady is selling sunflowers. You must put off your shoes before entering into the temple. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.